Ki khubor ka Bethany TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiat nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ïohsngew siya kandai spa prapway ke Bethany Society keneri kila jingaram na ke benta ki Briew ki Itynnat kotmen but hadu benta meneru kidangnya peteng menle kumjo na kaliang ke Bethany TV Ïohsngew dan kam man penipat ba ye kila jingaram ba ke nega society ke ai na ke benta ki PWDs ni ki people with disabilities kini ke program jongi keran arbenta ke way ke day ke bangi yo ban sakhi but banyak keren halo ke shlam ajing hikai ke Jyotis Road School kebetulan ki kelas pulih hadu kelas 12 ke NIOS berkiwe-kiwe. Basa kawi kebentapan kedai halo ke jing aji hikai pentibin ya Kiba Tynnat kotmen bikin laban yang halaki jong kichan. Sengau haban pet beban share ya kini program nang bakan lok jing mentoy ikiwe pan.
Ngadai berta jai Dakar but adon hang ni ha Bethany Society na Ïohsngew kat kendai spa kendai poar. Ti ala sedang hang ni kum nong hikai ha ka school nang tu pada principal jong ka school hadin ngasa rung no shaki programs kum senior coordinator but mentala shisnam shiteng ai ngala shimya ka role of executive director.
My name is Kamo Narona and I am the secretary of Bethany Society since 2024. Before that, for almost 28 years, I was the executive director of Bethany Society. I joined the society in 1995, and so for the last 30 years, I've continued to work in the society. So Bethany Society is an organization that works across Meghalaya, and it was started in 1981 through the leadership of Sister Rosario Lopez. She was a Spanish nun who was part of the group that started Nazareth Hospital. And then she went to the Garo Hills and together with some of her sisters, they established Bethany Society in 1981 in a remote village in East Garo Hills. The idea was to connect them to government programs. So the focus was always inclusion. You know, because the government has the schemes, has the programs, has the finance, but people who are left out, like persons with disability, cannot link with them. So our major focus was to link with them.
Kerteng jonga kadi Ricky ngala tre ni po Bethany Society na du Ïohsngew hajar lai hadu mentah nga page ya ka livelihood program hang ni po Bethany Society but ngadai I director jo ka livelihood kani ka roilang ka long hakin 96 tharai 92 96 ai ka kasdang tangba hakitu ki por kadang long suki tu hadin pat kasasdang ban kiu kham sejrong tu suki kunta kan tamanta te kala long kumba full institutional program but ngila don ki syllabus but curriculum ki babiang long but ka ba ngiju pekat kum kabanyahap kumno but ka state government le ne but ki central government
hangi yang dembunjak ka tekna dan mula malah lansium di hadin atin Itynnat bon ira hadin kita Itynnat dan simu bon college had Hai, soalnya ada kenal dia ada ke sekolah, sebiji ada sekolah je. Kita nanti ada tu kita nak mubah tu nak ada tongnya bu di showroom.
Bat ni dan hakian an bambu unit jokali keroyang bat ni dan rekat bat ni de iba alam in batai kendia sipang ni ki jai tiar ki ba shna ha kan ka giden de ba alam lam batai ni tiar mo ki ba kla shna ban ko lam
Ini ka dan siu bu hobol ada orang ni siu bu artificial lah tu bu bu orang kendor ni Bui basket buat dia, buat lah kalau siapa kalau angkat buat kan tu ni dia sahaja Ïohsngew tu yang sliding itu
ki sladi
sliding itu sliding Ini ki berlading.
oh rendah
Berlading.
pia shna hang ni kini
Hang.
pia yo je hikai
Wanya jingkai je aja dong.
idea la jong
Aja dong ini. Ini saya nak intensif.
oh kena internship
Warna kolej itu ya dengan ini begitu. Dan ini
tiar bukan mo kini
belum buat.
oh ha
Belum buat ini. Ini juga ini bukan
ha
dan ini cycle buat itu buat ini kan teri.
kisi no
Ini lagi sila kan. Box.
tengok deh
Ini cycle. Ini buat dia ni. Bukan ini.
kini rupiah shna hi nak idea la jong
Nah, ini.
benar
Dan ini kau robot tu. Kan gitu eh.
Kawai kajing temu jong ye hapo ka livelihood kalong ba kumno ba khamtam ki ni ki Briew jong ye khamtam na kanika jilla jong ye hang ni po Meghalaya long ba kin ya im ni kham concentrate ba ha ki bor sign mantla mo ka ba ki ong ki technology lada ka dei kum hapo ki ba phi ri ris niang ri Tiar lane ya ba phi red ngi kwa ngi bon ki technology ki bangi ongkub kita ki bokashi technology ki bangi le ki microorganism but ki bagi penkre ki we ki jaj sbo ki bangi jo shnahi dalade but ngi jo pendon kam da kita boong da ki microorganism but sakawai ro hapo gani ka live lo ngiele ban eye training ye ki Briew Baru kajing temu ke jongi kalong ya ki Briew kamtam ki badon jing duna ki department ki baki ang person with disability ni jo ai training ya ki ba hakano kadur ba kila banyang ha ki kijat lajong.
We wanted to look at an integrated approach that not just having a school, but there were many young people in the villages who were 16, 17. There were people with disability, not only here, but also other places. So we said that we need to have a skill development unit so that they can go back to their villages and earn a livelihood. By this time, we were working in about 400 to 500 villages. And any person with disability we identified, we were then able to connect them with livelihood programs. Many of them were supported by the government.
Jing yarap tu mjukut pi. Kat banang yo nang don kam, ndai nang kwa ngidang don kam nomor kat banang yat ke pertai menta. Mo menchwa ki itu tang nyo jat ki disability. Menta arpowe. Ki tiki jing don kam ru ki la nang bon. But kadai ka kamram jong no ban pet ya ki Briew ki ba shong ha ka jela kadai jong ka sarkar anrei ngan nut ban ong ya ka ni ka wei ba ladangi persyang ban le ai na ka benta ki Briew ki badan jing duna de khat met ka jing lut ru ka bot tiga sarkar kadai ban hakata ka ru kom te ban daning kong ka jing ket clear kini kinong mi khamat jongi kin don hapo ka do nut ke jongki ba kini ru kidai kiba hap hapo ke jing sumar jongi tingi dei ban bu yaki hakmat bat yaki wei ki ru kai
Di hakani klimat pan idon hangni ha tailoring unit jongkani ka roilang tingi ni rung shapo khanang mai kali perthau shapangani kam ka jongki ki su jan you but ka course kadi ka bakat no banai but kum ta ter idon ta ni miss iba pet ya kani ka unit mo ka tailoring unit tinga bini kong sha ka ang kliba kerteng ka jong famous but kat miss nam ka kani
Kateng jongai dia recommend lang mauri.
di hakabaya de ba kini ki jan ki ba pisu hang ni mo ki jan ayu ba pi la ban mi na kani ka unit ka jong phi
Hang ni teng ip mi product sante po showroom hele tang ki apron kini ki pod hoda kini hi pan pendan kam po ayu kam rasyan. Teng nang tang hele ru kini ki Iki dan kam ki order se kum tong he so ma kim ki blouse ki sap di ta ki le lang para khoi
di kani ka course pi ang ka nus net ka no banai tu
kani for basic isim for man dan nang tapat ki de be wan ya course kini dan sa ijah ma ki intermediate nang ta ki extra course kum tong
Most important skills for the 21st century. Of course, knowledge, but knowledge I can get from the internet. But communication, collaboration, compassion, critical thinking, and creativity are skills that need to be designed. So we ourselves, we are very, very focused on collaboration, that we really need collaboration, we don't need competition. We can strive for excellence without trying to be the best. That's very important. Yeah.
Ni ju ong ye kila ban siu kat bakimon. Ndai kadon hi kador badmar ni ju ni pelut kalut ba kan ke training. Cuma tal ada pilih tailoring, lana pilih food bakery ke ro. Ki bon ke jinglon. Ndai Bun pat kini ki Briew jongi ki bawan hani ki person with disability ki badon jing duna ki khotman but kini ki wan na po kayeng ka ba duk ba bun kim la ban siu ndrai ya kita ngiyele ban wat ya kilat kan ba ninyo pisan ai adu mentalong don ki na po na kaliang ka government but ki don ki Briew ki bu badon men sem banya no nyang lang kita berokot long ki deha kata ka rukom ngidang ya telun adu mentaro.
I do myself art and craft. This what I'm coming from the beginning.
okay
I do and patterns, but I have to work hard because from the miss and they concentrate about my own common sense. But I cannot do anymore because of the world. Then I did social media now.
yeah
I feel that this time I feel it's very happy. My heart is like this. I'll give it to my room because like this time I can remember again day and day. Thank you for the gift you need for me. I'll get the prayer of the God.
yes hakani klimat pat mi thang ni ko asan ka ni thak ba la ko ni students ang ni mo kidang bun kam ban le ala ke jong ka chu ni Kren badi instructors of the ni at the come ya cha ka classes ka chu ni bias pai ki ni program ka chu na mi thu shura karte ka jong phi ba la kai ni nadu mana?
Tingjang ada Fiona. Mahikain na join last year or September.
Di kan lihat participan ni ke unit ke jong pi hikai ke pi ai ni pi na lo ne.
Usually kita in basic things with the art and craft kum drawing, then coloring, painting, and then kum no ki ban recognize ki shapes, and then ki cut out ki shapes e kum ta. Ting shit ni kai bikin Shna birthday cards, Christmas cards, ki wreaths, ki bookmarks kum ta. Through these pada ki laban produce ke. Kini di ki wreaths.
Handmade mah?
Handmade.
Shna kena jong pi ni.
Hoat ngapa ni kai ki tengah batai kum no bikin paste, kum no bikin iu, bikin te ribbon ni kum ta.
Manpun?
Hoat shpul tu di isim te kum.
Nice. Tinggal type yang sport deh.
Hoat. Masa tap.
Stop. Di pihak lem apa ikni ki you bu you.
Ha showroom ni bo dalam the kan finished product bu showroom ni sadia kan. Ini di positivity jar. Ting Shna tu kan ni bu something ni right ni thought something positive kan apa.
Oh.
Ting sa tu.
Pihak dia ikni ro.
Hoat betul.
From my point of view, what I'm saying is that first of all, and I want to thank you and Bethany that y'all have a very, very important role to play, especially in the 21st century. You know, in actually giving to the audience, you know, the truth. Of course, it will have your perspective, but you have a very important role to play in today's world where you know. There's a lot of violence. There is not only amongst ourselves, but violence to the environment. You know, greed is there where you are, you know, destroying the environment. So that is one message that I'd like to give. And secondly, that people who are left out must be given opportunities. People with disability, people that there should be no segregation. We must segregate garbage and make them resources, but we must mix people so that they become resources. You know, they have to be given opportunities, and you cannot discriminate because of your body. You know, you are your mind, you know, so don't judge people by their bodies, but create opportunities, you know, be compassionate, all right, and be generous, you know. That's very, very important.
We don't have any bakery unit, but rengkat ni we don't hakarisa ibadi instructor jong ni unit. Di hakarisa ni bilang survival program ke jong ni, but ni kong shop yang akak ambil Kiba kila hikai yang ni akak Ïohsngew.
Nah hikai men last year September, tak ada ni kemban 8 months 9 months.
Di hakabay di bagi students ang mo, kan nungod ay students ki bawal ni.
Kidan kum tu si promote A tambah kidan ki bala pas tu. Dia minta ngidan setang lain kan.
Jika course ang ni part kat nung penai.
Kedai lain penai.
Dikijak jimbam you berapa appreciation.
Ni shed ki cakes nang ta ki biscuits tambah long bonjat kan. Kum ki birthday cakes nang ta ki tea cakes, the biscuits tu kum ki coconut biscuits, chocolate biscuits. Dia minta kini ki shed choco chips biscuits. Kita hi dang don syu hi dang bon ita.
Di anda telah ada benship ni pada ini jimbam pan nama markas ni pihak benda ni kini di classes ke. Dah telah ada benship pada pihak ni jimbam.
Ni dia hoi. Dia ni dan koi ka stall station khamat ke ba ni shet bo lang setiru. Dia ada complete ke tukar stall. Dia ni ki wanted bit nang niru. Dia ting ki na kitchen dikilit dia syaru. Dia ki shet rak lang jimbam ni tingi dia kum tu kan.
Mentapan gidon hang ni handmade paper unit ha kebangila ruben sakhi yaki niki jingbu Itynnat ya kini kamera balashna rikikot tinginya Kren baki wapen ha kini unit
kerteng joine ide bullet sama ti idon ha handmade paper but I teng joine part ide intush marak dia kidan langut hanya jisha tambah ibu imdan kakam kabaki liak kidi ki yathan kini ki baskets lagi orders yakinnya. Yang ba idan teng-teng dekat idea la jong ru isi Shna kum kini ki box, ki paper bag. Kum gitu ki Tiar ki ba ni pi menta bi Shna. Handmade paper ka bagi Shna te ka paper ka te ka machine ya ka tu te ki dayo training man Shna ki papers. Dan ya ki papers nang tu pat dia ki pen ni ki idea la jong mat Shna ki la ki jong ki cards ki bun sa ya ki Shna. Ki yo bahashi bun ha ki orders kum ki returns gift deh kum ki return gift ki yo shi bun nanta kum ki wedding cards ki yo hadu sau spa tali Asian name kum tu ki yo orders. Kini ki box ibatai bang isi tab ki sweets ta ya ki kunjami ya ki sweets sang ni hapo kila Shna ta ka kom ba kila tab ki sweets sang ni hang ni te ki kum ki sweets ro ki chocolate ne ki yu ki Shna ni hi hapo bakery jongi te bat ki shi le ki ni ro ki shi wan le order nam ta ka return gift ki bayat ha te hang ki ni ro ki print hang ni hi kini ki code ki Shna ni hi.
Sakaway ka ba ka Bethany Society ka ang nut pat ka persyang kalong ban penklan ya kini ki seng jong kini ki Briew ki badan jingduna ke dekat met. Tingila sedang ya kani hinado mentala lai posnam pat kila sedang mi bon teli ki seng namar ngis ngau ba ka dan kam ya kini ki PW ni no kubang hiong bakin yang halaki jong ki kejat bakin ya le na ka benta ki hok la jong kat no ki NGO ki ne ti hang ni kat no ki bala ban chu ya rap sa ngi kwa ba ki Shnong ha ka ba kisa kin kit kle na ka benta joki kum ba ki kit kle na ka benta ki weipat ha ki liang baro ha ka liang jong ka jingkwat jingkhia ha ka liang jong ka education hakaliang jong ka jing tibet ki training nang ta ka jing yo kam hakaliang kumno bakila baniang halaki jong ki kijat baki Shnong kin penslur kin shemba ki persons with disabilities ru ki long shibenta jong ka Shnong bakade ka kamram jong ka Shnong ban pe
ten jongai di kong Esther Pamthian ngade in charge ka catering hang ni te kini ki ba ini di kiola nongro I jing hul I bahalan chilla but I mesa ani manga bi mesa ani di in charge catering hang ni te baru katu mencuba tengi sile namta kini ki person with disability I training ki kumto te hadi nang tu pat te kala long inclusive te menta te kumto de kidan program kumto pat kani kadi kamera ki bangi I prepare kumki breakfast lunch dinner kumto te bat ni training ruah kerja kapor untuk dan kena kan te mentapat ni dang ya ni sia prepare ban sia le kini ki asyar ba dan program ikum tu pat ni si ai ki asyar ikum tu hajaka ban achat ni ho ni kita nam tasha baru dak dan ki ba orders ikum tu ni ai kita tambah most of the time pat ni si bon ki badan program ya ni te ki dan ki gas ipawan sa tingin lapan biang naduk ka breakfast bait hadu dinner ikum
kum syapo sora ru pila aban le kidon and then kum syapo sau semper ru kidon lada village mata kum syapo jaintia pramer ru kibun hacing sang itri kumba pra ndriu spa kumba ndriu spa Shnong po megalaya mdei tangah ni po khasi hills kadi syapo garo hills ru kitri ba ngiyele ban promote kumno ba kibriu skinong kendong kinyo ban kinyo ka umdi kababiang wat hang ne po silong ro umdi jongi kam de kababiang de namar kata ka daw ngiyele banwara ngiye wanwara bonjai ki technology kum kani ka technology ro mata kum kani ki ongka kadi ka eco H2O filter kum new filter ro lada kau pai kalong ka basuk ba pisu the bai ka na jorong mendon kam electric ai kala ami ka nang ni ka ka bami nang ni ka di ka bakhuj ba ka uniu filter ula ban weng ko mi bacteria ko mi virus kum ta ter ngaru hayeng nga pendon kam but ngila pha te si unis po bombero kadon ka certificate sapo bombero kiong ba kiong ba udi filter ba bha hadin kataru ngikwa ban phate sangne po shillong ngi phate sapo pasture institute hadin bakila te si ka ka bami nan ni kiong safe to drink
kini ba jadi hangri kila pa ba banyo ni
ha kila banyo uni udai na po udai kunja IIT technology ndai bang Shna mangi ki dei ki Briew ki Shna ki dei na po IIT banmar mentaru ngi trailang bat ki technology institute kumbat ka India Institute of Technology na po Bombay kumi kiniro ngi trailang na po ka health na benta ka health ro na benta ki DM digital stethoscope digital food scanner diabetic food scanner
Kakerteng jonga dari Halim Shelah ke ngaincat teknika organic farming kini kijing tung ki bom ada wai haning ya tung ki brokoli ki phul ki kini somakan ni so sao ngia tung det hani kue ki dadon ki kena ki bakwa ban training ni ting sai ai training ki aman tating dan ra
kamta mikini ki organic production long ni penmi ikani banamar ngi ai training ni penmi man kasngi kumi ki jhor ki chapro kumi kita haru ngi di be tang ni po campus ro kilabon ki bayatrei kalur be nadu 96 ter hadu mutai kini ki vermi compost gile ki Briew man kasngi ki wan ther hadu mata paju don ba complain banong ba u kasbo jopi ka de ka basni hundrei hadu kat badang mi kisngi ngiru ngidang yele ban panbhash pamba banamar ngiyok ngile eksperimen nang nenang tai ngi yala deru bang gitung ni soto ai ka bakam
nga la kan aslam he la dan ar kan sadap ar prasnem ha ubna september shtarik te ngala ahin nga pas na long training ban kong du ni ngala na DIC nang tena po lumjing sha te nang tu pada ngayo encouragement aki te ngala training no sha Calcutta pada na Central Ladder Research Institute ka ba kus ka ba shisnam te kidon pada kiwi kus ru ki ba short time kus mutuma kita nga beran pentibit kani ke unit ni ai jing ni kai ya ka benta ki khana ki balong don disable but kumju ru ngi but inclusive na benta ki khana ki ba drop out ni student ru tu ki ba pas ngi shimna ru class 5 na makhana ba kinang ban tho ban tar ban khen ban tho kum no ban le ki design ye te hang ni ngi kai ban su ya ki pla ki bunjat ki jat pla mo na du ki pla ki baret ki pencil box ki tiffin bags ki school bags ki ladies bag ki travelling bags pat kumjuru laki we ki kat kum kajing dan kam jong ki customer ma ki ba wan na ki indus na ki government kum ba ki le ki seminar conference e kum tu tengi su ki files ki conference bag ki kamya ka ki files e na beta ki
banamar lada ki Briew khamtam shanong kendong teng ki jinjar wan cheni aka ni kwa ba kat haki bangi don kila ban khot yengero mo ala ni kila ban khot yang ngila ban le ai awareness ngila ban ai training kumye ki shnong ro ngi pe teng long ka ha ka shnong ki don kam ke e banamar ka government ro ka kwa banira lemba ka sarkar la ne lemba ki don ki CSR ki corporate social responsibility la ne ki don ki kerja organization ki bakwa banira lemba kita ro ni sai adopt ye ki shnong bat ni sai lecture kum hakita kisnong lada kadai ka kerja barijing ri la ne risni ang risier barat kat badai ngiyale ban pe yake ka jingdon kam jo kita kisnong dei na marka ta kada lada don mano bakwa long lamba ka ni ka channel jong hero kila ban phone shengi la ne kila ban pha ha ka mail jongi ka ba lamba ka email ka bang ni ju to ka ba ni ongka info bethany.society.org. Kila ban pha hakata ka yuro yak ikajingdon kam ke ngiro ngin sa juba ke. Ban ngiju so Tynnat ban leit ban fresh ki no kanno. Hoj ka office timing dungi ka na do khandai hadu san. Hakano kono kapor kila ban wan ni kila ban wat jikli la yak ikabangila ban yarap ngin Tynnat ya ban yarap. Ya baro. Hoj ngidon ka showroom hangni banamar man kasngi kiwan ban yo training bon ke itu ki banga ong manta mo kidon ki leather and rexine shoemaking ki orthopedic shoes ta kidon kum ki handicraft bakery handmade paper kum ta ter but ngidon ro kum ya kini ki wat ngidi kum ki siar ki sniang but iki bangi tongro lada pipe ya po showroom pa ki bon ba ki bangi don hantai ro kum kini ki long mdei bangi Shna bandi mdei por bangi eye training long ki Shna kami mo kai kabangi ang kum ki kerja incidental ya kita ki bakimi nang tupat long ni sadi shakiwe ro but hajing shangi kwa ban penmi pisa ladangi kamyo shu long kanierap shu ban ngila ban kam ai ka training ka bakam ha kiwi ki jakaro
Hagani klimat pan kumba phila ban sakhi de lagi jangki khmat bangidan hagani kamra but hagani kamra klan bon jai kini kitiar kani ke jaka kani ke showroom ka baki de ye kini kitiar kini ki de ro ki mar ki bala penmi da kani ka penhun roilang jang ka Bethany Society
sakawai pat ngasukwa ban ong ba khamtam ngapej kum hang ni po megalia kini ki Briew ki badon jing duna ki dukhat met ki wan nakayeng ro ka baduk bah but ki don shibun okay ha ki don kam shibun ki jing yarap dei na mar kata kada nga tharai ba ki Briew ngi dei ban kham kulut min sim but ngin yarap but ngi dei ban nang ban pej ro kumno ban yarap ye ki hangni hapo Bethany Society ro kidon kan dikat tu bisa iwan yarap but haman ki shnong ro ngako ba pin yarap yeki and then plus lada don kiba shem jinjan ki jing yarap lada kiba ko ban seng kam daladero kila ban wan sengi long ngin pe yeki jing la jongi lada ngimla nangiro ngila ban ling bat kiwi ki partner jongi
Empathy is very closely connected to emotional intelligence. When I say empathy, like for me, empathy means to be able to listen to your point of view, and if it is different from mine, to accept that as part of the diversity. And of course, our big program, which is in the memory of our founder, who wanted to actually set up a place where senior citizens and especially people with disability who are old, who have no place to go, that we can support them. So we are in Tura, in our village, we are actually setting up this center, which will be ready by the end of this year, and it's called the Sanctuary. And there not only are we looking at supporting senior citizens, but we are also setting up a training center where young people who want to go into geriatric care, since a large population will be senior citizens and nobody look after them, they can go into this and get good jobs in looking after or in caring for senior citizens. So it's education, inclusive education for us is very important, quality education, skill development, and livelihoods that will look at climate change.
Ladang Ïohsngew bangi duna hakanu kanuru ngalai ting ada soto palat hiya kata lari kat nusnam henrei kawai kalong pi ngi dei ban ai kita kilat lada kidai ki kena bukan yo ban dei school lada kidai ki bela kam he bukila ban yo kalat ban kamai kaji nama lada la ban shong school ban kamai dalade penkiu ya ka jing sngo dondor hapo ya ladi ni sngo kumbang ni long lang kum kiwe but kawai padeng akwa banshu ya sam lang mo ba hakabakut ndai ni wan shaka pertei shimet ngilong shidur shisur mundan pat uwei te ubakum manga mo te ngadon ka jing baha ngadon ka jing duna ngadon ka jing la ngadon ka jing bom la te ka kham ha bang pendan kam ye ki jing la bat ye ki jing baha bani ka baken mau tang ye ki jing bom la okay but kawai kalong ba ngim juday ban pen ya nujor pat kiwei pat dala diru nginai penujor ani uta udan kumta ki para long chonga ki la long kumta ladang isya ye kini ki jing sngau em lakut ata mlale shu but kadon kam pat deru ye ki kme ki pa ye ka imlang sa lang pelun yo to person with disability ba banum ya penujor bat kiwei ban peng keng por ya kumba ulong kumba ula nama lada ke emotional health ke jongi mo ke jing klan ke jing mut jing perkat ke jing sngau ke jongi kabiang ngila ban la kumnu kum kiwei pat wat lada ngim la ban le kum kiwei